be the without changing the data. And here we have this is the thing, it are 1D, 2D and 3D. So 1D will be the linear and 2D will be I think we completed, yes, 2D will be like a cubic type and 3D also the similar one. Okay, and here the slicing here the one index part will be covered, and here the Python will be the text. So Python is the indexing one, -1 and -2 it will be considered as. So slicing operator that it will be considering from 0. Okay, so like that it will be happen. So with the matrix form it is comes under where 3D structure, and here reshaping of array this is, and here concatenation and splitting arrays. So concatenation means what? It will be combined the two it will be combining the two words, that is call it as concatenation. And splitting arrays means it will be splitting the array and it is 1 2 2 2 2. Okay, and next here the U functions, universal functions. So universal functions also we completed. And next what I come just a moment now, I think I didn't say or also yeah. Something issue. Yeah, okay, chalo, I'll execute the programs and I'll show you. So up to we completed in up to U forms and data manipulation also we completed, right? So what is the data manipulation? I already told you, some pre-processing the data and all the things will be happen. Okay, so here installing in Pandas. So how the Pandas will be installed? Okay, what is Pandas and how it will be declared in programmatically. Okay, I'll show you. So so first we need to see and what is the Panda. Okay, can you tell me why the Pandas will be used and what is the relationship between NumPy and Pandas? Can you, anyone? So here my question is, what is Pandas? So is a Python library. So what is library? Already the predefined functions is there in library. Okay, so that helps you work with structure, data. Okay, so this is the tables and rows as well. Okay, tables and rows and columns also. So here, and this will be, it will be read the examples, that will be the CSV file, else Excel. Okay, CSV file and Excel using SQL and JSON, etc. So here JSON and etc. So here the cleaning the data, so that will be the removing nulls, fixing values. Okay, removing nulls and fixing values here. Okay, so if the nulls is there in the particular table, so we need to fix that value, so show up in the UI part. So it will not good, so after cleaning the data also it will not good for seeing that particular data and all the things, right? So like that. So here exporting data, so CSV, Excel. Okay, CSV and Excel. So here the pandas, so what is the pandas? So here I'm going to write the some logic here, and what is the data frame and all the things. So first step here, we need to declare the series of pandas. So in the series it will be accept the one dimensional, so that will be 1D, and only the single Excel column it will accept it. Okay, so I'll open, yeah, is there CMD. Okay, so here code space dot enter. So I'm going to creating pandas here. So take a new file. So pandas example. Okay, pandas.py the extension will be. So here first we need to import that panda. So that is pandas as panda pd. So we are going to importing this one. So I'm taking yes. So pd dot series. Okay, pd dot series. Here I'm passing some values here, some series of values. This is the linear structure, that is the 1D. Okay. So I'm going to executing, so some error is found here. So what is that one? So that is indentation. So the pandas module is not there in the series, so that's why it is showing some error. So we need to install the pandas first. So how it will, we have the steps. Okay, go to command prompt. Here I'm going to installing pip install pandas. Okay, so for installing the pandas, so the pandas will be executing. So we need to see the version for that, so upgrade version. So pip install -- upgrade. Okay, -- upgrade. So that is pandas. So after that we need to import the panda and we need to declare one. Okay, this is installed successfully. The version will be an upgraded version, the 2.2.3. So here I'm going to install it. Okay, this is like a M.Sc. The pandas is not executed, I think. So I'll close this one. And again I will
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, in the command prompt window, actually at the last it came like successfully uninstalled pandas.
What happened over there? Can you tell me once again?
When we did pip install hyphen upgrade pandas, you executed no, ma'am.
Yes, you're trying.
That time successfully uninstalled pandas we got. Not
Uninstalled not. That will be installed.
okay, ma'am.
You're got like that only.
Mm.
That is
Success-
installed, not is successfully uninstalled. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Here we are installed. Okay.
So here it is not coming. We will execute an ideally as well. Take a new file here. So save this one. So I think there is we need to install more. Just a second. So this is, we call it as 1D as well. This is the example. So here, so how to view the data, so like that, so we need to how to read the CSV file and all the things I'll show you in the basic pandas. So here, so data frame, so data frame, this is the 2D, so this is the 2D. I'm taking the data here. So like this is like a what, this is like a JSON type. So I'm taking here the data. So here the name I'm calling, so name, so A, so I'm taking names here, something B, so C, H, (23), 25 and 30, something I'm calling here. Okay, so here you can take df like a pd. So here data frame, what the data frame you are going to giving over there, that data frame we need to call here. So data frame we are calling, so what we are calling here, data. So data here calling and print df. Okay, so this one. So we need to read data from files. How? So read data from files. Okay, so here CSV, so we are calling CSV file, and df I'm calling file here, so that is pd dot read excel. Okay, so here data file I'm calling, so the data type will be we have the CSV file and here XLS. Okay, XLSX. So like this we need to call. Okay, so we need to view the data. How we need to view the data? We have the some steps. So that is df head means it will be first 5 rows will be there. Okay, so that is d head. Okay, so next df. So here the df df dot tail. So tail means, so df tail means last 5 rows. Okay, so this is the first 5 rows, here the last 5 rows. Okay, so here df info. So here data summary will be calling. So here df dot describe. Okay, describe, here statistics will be called. Okay, so next select and index. So data, select and index data, that will be df. Here the name we need to take. Okay, so next select multiple columns. So here df name and age. Okay, so selecting rows by index. So select rows by index. Okay, select rows by index, df dot, so half 0 I'm taking here. Okay, so df dot allocate half 0. Okay, so here the filter data, we need to filter the data here. So how it will be filter the data? So I already told you we are going to passing the 5 steps, so pre-processing the data and filter the data, right? So here I'm filtering the data. How it will be df and df. So here age and greater than 25, like that we are calling. Okay, so next add and update columns. So we need to update something. So I'm going to, suppose I have in the df suppose the city is there. So instead of city, I need to take something Hyderabad, okay, something Hyderabad, next to Vizag, next to Delhi. So like that we need to take. Okay, so we need to delete the data and delete the columns also. We need to use df drop as well. So we need to delete the columns as well. So particular from the city we need to delete. So you can give the city like this. So using pandas it will be possible. So already the predefined functions is there. Already we are going to installing some with using some mind, using like that. Okay, so it is there in the first thing. So you can give the axis equal to first. Okay, so in place, so that is true. Okay, so we need to save the data. So that is df dot to csv output. Okay, output csv output dot csv. Okay, csv output dot csv index and false. Okay, so we need to saving the file. So using pandas we need to do like this. So what the steps we are going to follow? First we are using the pandas. First we need to install the pandas, and after that we need to take import what? Import pandas. Okay, so next we need to create the series as well. So 1D like that, 1D 2D, or else we need to okay, create the series here. Okay, so next we need to read the files and view the file, view the data. Okay, next select the index one, select index data, select index data like that. So after that what we need to do? Delete columns. Okay, delete columns. So like that. Okay, so like that we need to do, and we need to use the pandas like this. Okay, I'm going to keep this is in codeshare.io. Okay, codeshare.io python 1 2 3. Okay, I'm giving this one, and I don't want to share any notes. Okay, so just you can save this one. Okay, I don't want to share any notes from you guys. I'm going to go sharing my notes and telling and all the things you guys are mistaken. I'm going to give the spoon feeding actually, but you people are not at all listening. Hello Meghna. Meghna, check Meghna. నాకు ఐడియా లేదు మీకు. అవునా, ఓకే. అవును అవును. సరే చేయి, పర్లేదు, మేనేజ్ చేస్తా. మేఘ్నా, మేఘ్నా చెప్పు. మేఘ్నా, నేను ఒక ఐడియా చెప్తాను. వేరేలా చేయొచ్చు మనము. 5 minutes ఆగు, నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను. Next what we have, next here, missing, handling and missing data. And what is handling and missing data?
Ma'am, sometimes in a table there are no values we can handle.
Next, so here the thing is, the handling missing data means we need to remember the one thing. So here the null values also there and the none values also there. So in that only the missing the values will be null values and none values. We need to take that one. So here I'm going to take handling the data. Here here, so the important part, and in the pandas it will be handle the null values and none values. So daily I'm going to facing this problem only in my real-time example. I'll show you, after this I'll join with my office laptop and I'll show you how it will be work. Okay, and here what happened here, the data cleaning will be happen. Okay, so here the data cleaning will be happen here. So here the missing data, how? So we need to find the missing data here. Find the missing data. So here using def dot is null. Okay, def dot is null. So this will be the missing data. Count is missing values and each column. So that is def is null dot sum. Okay, so this will be happen. And next what happened, remove missing data. Remove missing data means what? Here def drop now. Okay, drop now, we need to use like this. So here what happened, remove missing the data. So missing the data will be removed as well. Okay, so like this we will be used in the handling missing data. So we need to fill the data if it is miss. So when how it will be, so that is def dot fill now. So if it is fill, if it is missing data, so we need to fill. So this one will be used. Okay, so here we need to forward and fill. Okay, forward and fill. Def dot fill now method equal to fill. Okay, so this one will be happen. So after that def dot fill now and method equal to b fill. Okay, so this will be happen. So example, I'm going to take some example. So it will, here it is not working. So the missing data we need to follow this one. Okay, so if it is miss, I'll give a comment guys for you. Suppose this will be find missing data. So here is null means what happened, remove missing data. Okay, so next what happened, so this is also the remove missing data will be work. Okay, so next here what happened, fill missing data. So here fill missing data. Okay, next this will be forward the data. So this is forward fill. Okay, next this is backend fill, backward fill. Backward fill. Okay, so this will be happen. So I'm going to share this in your code share, guys. And try this one, don't leave like that simply. Okay, so what is this topic? So this is missing the data. Okay, so wait. Okay, next. So what we have next? The next one. And here combining data sets. Okay, so we need to combine the data sets. So how? So what is concatenation and combine? Tell me the differences between combining and tell me the differences between concatenation and combine. Anyone? Anyone? And merge also.
Ma'am, combining is the order, no ma'am.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Concatenation means if you are concatenating A with B, at the end of A, B will be attached, no ma'am. That is concatenating. Combining means there is no rule of at end or last. It can be combined in any order. That is main difference, I think.
Yes, this is the interview question, guys. Please don't forget. Okay. Concatenation and the combine and concatenation and merge and join. So this is the interview question as well. Okay. And here the combine and here this is grouping, and here data sets. So what is the data set? The main thing is what is data set actually. We are learning Pandas, NumPy and all we are learning. And tell me what is data set? What is data set? So here my question is, what is data set? Okay, so here the data set means what? Here the data set is the group of related arrangement in tables. That will be a rows or else it will be a columns. So all together will be the data set. So here a data set is a group of related data arranged in a table. So that is rows and columns or any structure. Okay, rows and columns or any structure. Okay, so it will be in a format that will be which format? So that is the rows. So this is individual records will be happens, and this will be a columns. So in the columns what happens? So in the columns the attributes, names and cities, marks, etc. will be happen. So in the data sets, structured data will be there, unstructured data will be there, and semi-structured data will be there. Already we know the structured data will be CSV file and SQL tables as well. Unstructured data will be there, videos, audios, the text format like junk data. Semi-structure will be what? The semi-structure will be the XML files and HTML files and JSON objects like that, like a web API response will be happens. So in that format we need to learn, and we need to daily basis we are going to observe, that is the student records and employee data. So this is all call it as the structured data. And the unstructured data like a WhatsApps and charts, photos, PDFs and all the things will be, it is getting unstructured way as a data engineering like that will be, they will pre-processing the data, and in the structured way it will be processing the data, and it will be taking on the structured way, and it will be pulled into the web APIs and something. So in the API manner it will be pulling the data from one source to destination. So source to destination it will be comes, and it will be API through they will be process the data, and I'll show you. Okay, and here after that this is called it as this is about the data set. Okay, and our job is, what is our job? Our job is combining the pandas. So here the combining the pandas and the stacking the multiple data frames will be found. In that multiple data frames is found, it will be taking the using the pandas function, guys. So that is pandas function, how it will be there. So I'll show you one small example. Combining data sets in pandas. Combining data sets in pandas means joining, merging or stacking. Okay, joining, merging or stacking. So just a second. So here the stacking and concatenation. So here what happened in the main steps in the concatenation, combine horizontally or else vertically also it will be happen. Or next merge, it will be a SQL, and after that it is inner join. We can use inner join, outer join, full join as well. After that join and append, and here append will be happens. Okay, so like that we need to combine the data. So combine the logistics things. Okay, so here I'm going to df using PD. So that is data frame. After that I'm going to use here, that is ID. So 1 comma 2 comma and 3. So here I'm using so here A and B and C. Here I'm passing using only single quotations, guys, so you can use as double quotations. So here like how I'm passing this is as a one JSON type. So JSON type I'm passing in the data frame. Okay, So like this we need to pass, or else matching rows we need to take. After merging the data we need to passing merging means why we are going to using merge means we need to matches the data. So here I'm taking another one here. Here this is the dataset 1 and dataset 2. So here this is the 2 O2. Okay, this is the dataset 2. So here the PDF dot merge. So what happened here? I'm taking, so in the which is matches records will be found in the after merging. So like that we are going to using like a foreign key, it will be work. Okay, so we have inner join, left join and right join also. So outer join also it will be work. And appending, in that appending we need to take what is append actually. So we have the some functions, that is append and pop, push, we are using like that. Okay, so that is the thing will be happen, in the combining the two CSV files. Okay, so this is the records will be happens in the merging structures. So are you getting my point, guys? What I am saying it is, so this is the thing, NumPy, Pandas, and we have U functions. These all are we are using in the real-time examples. Okay, so so just a second. Okay, I'll forward this one. Guys, don't left, because this is very important and I'll show you how I'm using in my real-time examples and daily how I'm working using the data. So this is the concepts only, using these concepts only I'm working in my real-time examples actually. So I'll show you. So please don't left, this is very important in real time also. Okay, so next what we have, so that's why I'm taking online class. So why? Because you guys are disturbing me in your class. No. So next, aggregation and grouping. So aggregation and grouping means what? Already we have the aggregation functions, right? So in aggregation functions, so here aggregation functions, so aggregation and grouping. So aggregations and grouping, we have some count star, so that is we are taking that is we are using in real time example. But what is grouping? What is grouping?
Ma'am, based on similarities, we group the data.
Based on the similarities, we group the data. Which type of data?
It is like in rows and columns only, no ma'am, we work with.
Which data set we need to take?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know? Okay, I'll tell you. So aggregation and grouping. Aggregation and grouping. So here so split the data first. Okay, so after that we need to apply a function. Okay, apply So apply function so apply function and combine the result. Okay, combine the result. So using Pandas. So how? So here the df dot group by. Okay, so df dot group by and columns, column name like that. Okay, so using data frame. So already we know which the data frame we need to take. So this is the group by. So here in the Pandas, the group by we will use. It is used summarized, use the summarized and analyzed, summarized and analyzed data by splitting it into groups. Okay, by splitting it into groups and applying functions. Okay, and applying functions like what, that is sum, mean, count, max, like that. Okay, so like that we need to use. So this is called it as group and functions. Okay, so data visualization and Matplotlib. So simply I'm telling you that in the data visualization and the Matlabs will be used for pie charts, cumulative graphs and all the things. Okay, like that only the data will be used. So what is the cumulative graphs and what is all are the thing will be happen. So here visualization with the Matlab. Okay, I'll join with my laptop. Don't copy and don't touch code share while I'm using, guys. హలో మేఘనా, మేఘనా, ప్రవీణ్ మెసేజ్ పెట్టినాడు, ఈ ఇష్యూస్ ఈజ్ రిజాల్వ్డ్ అని. ఎస్ అని పెట్టినా, మరి వదిలేనా, పెట్టాలా అని అడుగుతున్నా. చూసి వదిలేస్తాను. అంటే ఏం చూడలేదు, ఓపెన్ చేయలేదు మళ్ళీ. సరే ఉండు, నేను నాకు పెట్టినాడు. ఒక్క 5 minutes ఉండు, నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా, చేస్తాను ఒక 5 minutes.
Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So is it my screen is visible?
Visible, ma'am.
Yeah. So see here, I'll show you. So this is a real-time project what we are going to use, and here I'm going to create one notebook and I'll show you the pandas and all the things how it will be work. Okay. So here this is new, and here we are going to take one notebook as well. So I'm going to keep here, that is Python program. Okay, Python program. Yes, already I have notebook in wait, I will take that. This is advanced one. Okay. So here I'm going to creating one shell. So here I'm taking import, and first thing what is, So first thing we need to take what is importing MATLAB. Okay, so I'll tell you that one. So importing Matplotlib in Python. Okay, so this is our topic. So here, what is Matplotlib? Means what? Library. Okay, is a popular Python. Okay, popular Python library. Okay, Python library for data visualization. So here in generally normally the data visualization will not happen. Okay, so after the installation all the steps only. So for installing the data visualization is pip install matplotlib. Okay, so next what happened, we need to import this one. So import matplotlib. Okay, so we need to use this one. We need to execute one program. Already the fabric is open here. Okay, so here I'm going to import math. So this is, see here, this is the free trial. So we have the access for 1 month for this one. So import Matplotlib. What we need to do? So that is plot. Okay, as plot. Okay. So plt. So like this. So I'm taking one plot. Okay, style dot use. Okay. So here I'm taking GG something plot I'm taking. Okay, so we need to run this shell. What happened we will see. I think it wants to be accepted. Is it my screen is visible, right guys? Guys, it is my screen is visible, right? Am I audible?
Yes.
So
No, my audible screen is also visible.
Oh, sorry. My screen is sharing, right?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah. So this is the fabric what we are going to use. So we will see. So see here. So this is a plotted one. Which one we are going to use? So this is the MATLAB. So this is the graphs type. It will be printed. Okay, so here what we haven't taken, so that is x and y axis. So here the x and the y axis will be taken. So this is the plotted and data visualization will be happen here. Okay, are you getting my point? What I'm saying it is. So next. Okay, so installation and the Matplotlib one. Okay. So next. So next is saving figures using a Matplotlib. So saving, how to save the figures in the Matplotlib. So we don't have the here we don't have any PNG formats and all the things. So I'll show you how it will be. Just normally I will show you. Okay. So I'm going to. So here also say sample the plotted graph will be presented using a Matplotlib. Okay, so without we are not injecting any here we are